Hello fam, so I thought why not just do a little bit of chit chat, remove my makeup, basically just get ready with you all and talk about some random things, or maybe just so few things can be a little important to me, so I just want to talk to you guys about it. So why not talk while removing the makeup and doing a small skincare as well. So first let me tie this hair. It's like when I tie my hair, it's the real me. So first I'm going to be cleansing the face with a cleansing balm and then simultaneously go with the double cleansing. So this is definitely one of my favorite night shirts from Clovia, and I have worn it so much, and for my filming it's like the apt shirt, I feel. So I'm using this Herb Day cleansing balm by The Face Shop. If you get it, just grab it. You don't want to miss out on some inexpensive cleansing balm. Okay, now let's talk about other stuff. I will keep talking about skincare only then. So I wanted to update you guys about my YouTube. Now, I have been YouTube close to 4 years, in which I took a break of technically 1.5 years. Like my videos used to go like maybe once a month, because I was pregnant, then the delivery happened and I was a mother. So a lot was going on. So my channel, and suddenly beach mein YouTube has one thing to change its policy and make it more tougher, more competitive, and try to make YouTube more cleaner space as well. So policy changed and 4,000 hours, 1,000 subscriber became mandatory for your channel to become monetized. जब मैंने शुरू किया था मुझे याद है कि आप वीडियो आज डालो आज से ही एड प्लेस होते थे, बट बाद में उन्होंने सब कुछ चेंज कर दिया एंड सडनली हम एडलेस हो गए एंड मोनेटाइजेशन चली गई. बट आफ्टर दैट ब्रेक आई टुक अ ह्यूज शिफ्ट इन माई ओन रूटीन and I'm dipping my finger in the pot again. This is the pot which I only use, so that's okay. So I need a little extra. So as I was saying, I bucked up a bit after coming to Delhi. Technically I have given last 1.5 years a little extra to my channel. जितना टाइम मुझे दिल्ली आके हो गया basically, I would say. And I have tried my level best to do more on Instagram also. तो Instagram पे मुझे मेरे लॉगिन की वो काफ़ी टाइम था, फिर बीच में मैंने Instagram अनइंस्टॉल कर लिया. Since we are talking, so I'm taking a vibe today, so excuse me that I don't use vibes, but आज की वीडियो के लिए चलता है. I'm just going to remove this. So तो मोनेटाइजेशन बंद हो गई मेरे चैनल पे. My channel was like a baby. 1,000 सब्सक्राइबर थे, बट 4,000 आवर्स इज लाइक बहुत दूर हैं हम. सो इन 2020 जून में माई चैनल गॉट मोनेटाइज्ड, लाइक द एंड ऑफ जून इट गॉट मोनेटाइज्ड एंड आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग. उसके बाद आई रियलाइज ओके, since I have started playing, I should also work a little harder on my channel. And I started posting videos regularly and maybe just getting a lot newer content, new launches and new products. And you also have supported me in many ways. And it really means a lot, really. So just to save a little time, I double cleansed also. So I used my Bao Skin Science Green Tea Face Wash. And now here I am with the serum. So serum I'm using this one, okay? So my channel got monetized, ads started playing, and उसके बाद ऐसे बहुत से कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स बोलते हैं कि you should not think about money and all, just forget about it for next 1.5 years, because it's not easy for small channels to just start getting paid. And पेमेंट कब मिलती है? जब आपके $100 हो जाते हैं, and that $100 is not an easy game. So सीरम में मसाज नहीं करना ज़्यादा, बस हो गया. I do only this. I just can't do this all the time. मैं ऐसे लेके जाती हूँ, and ऐसे. So everybody has a way of putting their serums. Don't be judgmental here. Okay, shifting back. So finally I could reach $100, and it reached up to, the policy is once you reach $100, YouTube automatically credits that money to your account if your details are being already filled in and the right details. So I reached $112 precisely, I would say. Yes, I'm just telling you the exact amount. I'm being so real here because with छुपाने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. So $112 some पैसे होंगे, and suddenly one day I just got this mail from YouTube that your payment is being credited. If it is not, if it doesn't reach you in 5 days, then contact the bank. But my details were so apt because I worked in banking sector, so details पता थे मुझे क्या क्या डालना चाहिए. It cannot go wrong, at least from my end. So it got credited. So finally, in 4 years of YouTube journey, I got my first pay from YouTube. First, मैंने तो होप भी छोड़ दी थी कि मुझे कभी कुछ YouTube से मिलेगा. But that day I don't know. I was not excited. Neither I was like over the moon. Okay, मुझे मिल गई, because मुझे लगता है मैं वो सोचती ही नहीं थी कभी कि मुझे पैसे चाहिए YouTube से. Maybe वो होता तो शायद मैं over excited भी होती. So thank you to all of you from the bottom of my heart, my body, my soul, everything, that you have been constantly supporting my small little work on YouTube and Instagram, and it really means a lot. Keep supporting. And slowly I have started exploring myself into affiliates as well, like attaching myself to Nykaa affiliates, attaching myself to Clovia, attaching myself to certain brands where I see myself growing in my own way, but not compromising my principles. And you have been supporting. It's just that कभी-कभी ना मुंह खोल के मांगना होता है, वो मैं बहुत लेट करती हूँ. And from the time I've told you guys that I do put Nykaa affiliate links in my description, you have been so kind enough to click onto those links. And see guys, I don't make like 10-15,000. It's 8% commission I get, जिसमें GST VST कटता है. तो 8% आप खुद calculate कर लो. I'm being so real here. But it really helps a small content creator just to keep her or himself a little motivated, little encouraged कि yes, there is something here for me. So keep doing that and keep appreciating my work, and I will end up crying. You can already see tears in my eyes, but I don't want to do that. But I just want to say thank you from bottom of my heart, and I can never thank enough. It's only the way I do it is these small giveaways, whatever fits in my budget and how much ever I can give. But I will keep doing my bit. I'll just ask a very small thing, or maybe it is one of the most important things for me to grow up here, is your support. So please share my Instagram post, comment, save it. It really adds up. And give a comment, like on my YouTube videos as well. And if you can just help me to reach 1,000 followers on Instagram. That's the maximum I'm expecting. But nevertheless, I am always hopeful for the best. And yes, now I will take a leave from here and say thank you to all of you, and a big hug from Brands and Geek. And I will see you in my next one. You take care. Bye-bye.